Beacons.ai lets you centralize your online presence and manage subscribers effectively. A key feature is importing subscriber lists via CSV files, allowing you to bring in email addresses, names, and other data from external sources like MailChimp or ConvertKit. This allows for efficient subscriber management and targeted campaigns. We'll show you how to do it. To prepare your CSV file for import into Beacons.ai, ensure it meets specific requirements. The file must contain at least an email column to identify subscribers. Optional fields you can include are first name, last name, phone number, or any custom attributes relevant to your subscribers. If you want to apply tags during import for better segmentation, add a dedicated column with tags separated by commas, such as VIP, newsletter. Finally, clean your data by removing duplicates and saving the file with UTF-8 encoding to prevent any import errors. First, log into your Beacons.ai account using your credentials. Next, navigate to the Subscribers section in your Beacons.ai dashboard. Click the Import button in the Subscribers section. Upload your prepared CSV file containing subscriber data. Map the columns in your CSV file to the corresponding fields in Beacons.ai, such as matching the email column. Assign tags to the imported subscribers during this step for better organization and targeting. Tags are essential tools in Beacons.ai for organizing your subscriber list. They allow you to group subscribers based on shared characteristics, making it easy to send targeted emails and distribute content to specific segments. Beacons.ai supports hierarchical tagging, allowing you to create parent tags for broad categories, such as region, and child tags for more specific segments, like North America or Europe. This structure helps organize your subscribers efficiently. For example, you can create segments like subscribers with my tag but not another tag using the tag-based criteria in Beacons.ai. This form shows how tags define segment conditions, allowing precise targeting. Effective tagging is crucial for successful, personalized campaigns. It enables targeted emails to specific subscriber groups, personalized content distribution, and can lead to higher engagement and conversion rates, as seen in case studies where creators improved retention by 40%. Beacons.ai also offers AI-powered tag suggestions during CSV import. The system analyzes your data to propose relevant tags like VIP or newsletter subscribers, making it easier to set up effective segmentation from the start. For best practices, refer to segmentation guidelines that cover basics like demographics and location-based marketing. Templates like this can help personalize your approach and ensure effective tag usage. Effective tagging enables personalized campaigns, as shown in this celebratory email that uses subscriber data to highlight individual milestones and preferences, leading to higher engagement rates. Error handling and data validation are crucial steps in importing subscriber lists into Beacons.ai. The platform automatically validates your uploaded data to identify issues such as invalid email addresses or missing consent flags. During the upload process, Beacons.ai performs checks to ensure data quality. This includes verifying email formats and confirming that consent flags are present for each subscriber. If any errors are detected, the platform generates a detailed error report. This report highlights the specific issues and provides guidance on how to correct them before re-uploading the data. Maintaining clean and accurate subscriber data is essential for legal compliance. This helps ensure adherence to anti-spam regulations, such as the CAN-SPAM Act, which establishes rules for commercial email messages and protects recipients' rights. By addressing validation errors through the generated reports, you can maintain a clean subscriber database that supports effective and legally compliant marketing efforts. Beacons.ai offers AI-powered tag suggestions during the import process. The AI analyzes your CSV data and suggests relevant tags, such as VIP or newsletter subscribers. This feature helps you segment your subscribers more effectively and personalize your outreach. With increasing data privacy concerns, Beacons.ai has added mandatory consent flags to CSV imports. This ensures that you only add subscribers who have opted in to receive communications. Always prioritize data privacy and adhere to relevant regulations when importing subscriber lists. When importing subscriber lists into Beacons.ai, you might encounter some common issues. Let's explore the most frequent problems and how to resolve them. The first common issue is incorrect file formatting. Your CSV file must be properly structured with UTF-8 encoding to handle special characters, no duplicate email addresses, and clean column headers. Another frequent problem is invalid email addresses. Beacons.ai validates emails during import, so ensure addresses have proper @symbols, valid domain names, and no extra spaces or special characters in invalid places. Missing consent flags can cause imports to fail. Beacons.ai requires consent columns showing opt-in status and consent dates to comply with privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA. For better results, preview your data before importing, take advantage of real-time validation to catch errors early, and review any error reports generated. Beacons.ai supports files with up to 100,000 rows. Always double-check your CSV file for these common issues before uploading. If you encounter persistent problems, consult the Beacons.ai Help Center for detailed troubleshooting guides.